Nakakalungkot na balita. Anak ni Kuya Kim na si Eman, pumanaw na. It's with deep sadness that we share the unexpected passing of our daughter and sister Eman. She brought so much joy, laughter, and love into our lives and into the lives of everyone who knew her. Eman had a way of making people feel seen and heard, and she wasn't afraid to share her own journey with mental health. Her authenticity helped so many feel less alone. To honor Eman's memory, we hope you carry forward the qualities she lived by: compassion, courage, and a little extra kindness in your everyday life. With love, Kim, Feli, Jose, and Eliana. Hindi pa matukoy kung ano nga ba ang dahilan ng biglang pagpanaw ng anak ni Kuya Kim. Ito'y kakapost lamang ngayong time ngayon, no? So parang wala pang 1 hour habang binabalita ko ito, pinost ni Kuya Kim sa kanyang Instagram account na nakatag din ng kanyang asawa na ito na nga ang nakakalungkot na balita. Kaya naman ang mga kaibigan ni Kuya Kim sa showbiz lubos na nakikiramay sa nangyari.